Did you know the LR3 has 2 factory options for towing a trailer? They're both rated the same, 700 pounds. 700 pounds on the tongue. Overall trailer 7,700 pounds. Overall trailer 7,700 pounds. These special key is what locks the pin in place. And so this slides up into the car and it gets locked in. Then you take the key out and the handle will turn. But the reason that people like to get the short one is ground clearance. But both of them will fit right in here. So this one sits lower and further towards the vehicle inboard, and this one has a little more clearance and sits a little further back. So to install this thing, this pin needs to be retracted, and it's gonna go into this portal, which means you may not be prepared for the way this goes in. It goes in this way. So it's kind of unintuitive, but the setting mechanism should face us, and slides right in here. Now, kind of give it a little click and it'll lock. So the 2-step instructions are written right on here. You pull it out and you rotate it, and it's gonna fall out. So let's show how to lock it in place. Even shows the lock symbol. So we just turn it down, and now you can still pull it out and turn it, just not all the way. So that's what confuses a lot of people. because when it's locked, it behaves a lot like when it's unlocked. If we unlock it, we have all the same behavior, just twists further. You can put the access panel back in place. Just keeps everything looking factory.